Okay everyone, let's go and create this presentation, this slide. It's looking great as you can see. Okay, let's see how we can create this. At first, we need to create a new slide. You can get this video that we have from the slide, go to insert and then easily go to videos and stock videos. You can find the video in your stock videos or you can download the video. It's up to you what to do. I get it from the stock video, but many times I download it. It's here. You can add it. It's downloading the stock video and then going to append the video to your file. Now we need to create this shape. It's more important to create that stock video. We are going to use this thing here. Okay, let me just cut the video and add it in new slide for now. These shapes, how we can create them. Okay, some of you may think it's like this. It's a shape. We go to format shape and then glow. Okay, soft edges. We are going to make the edges soft. And the shape has been created. Okay, this is the one way to create the shape and we are going to use it, but there are another way. Let me increase it in size. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's good. I think here it's good. It's good. Now select all of them and make them union. Then we have a problem. After making them union, we need to go to shape option and drop the outline and then merge them. You see the problem. Problem is that when you are going to merge two shapes by each other, it's going to connect them. But here, as you see, they are not connected. Because of what? Because we aren't using these shapes. We are using something more interesting, but there are ways. For example, we can make them group and then we can add a here and select them. But the important thing is that you can't do anything with a group shape. What we are going to do, we are going to create another shape to see if we can do anything with all of them. For example, combine, intersect, fragment. You see, the fragment has many problems. It's not the thing we want or need. So what we are going to do, we are not going to use these shapes. They are looking great, but the true shape that we use is that it's just this thing. We just reduce this size. You see here, it's just that we reduced it in size. Or you can use that shape we have. Now let's see and go and see what happens if we use these shapes. They are looking great. Let's use them. We make them union and then insert a shape. Select all of them and make them combine. What? The combine is not working well. Why? Let's see if we can do anything else. For example, let's create another shape and send it to back. Send it to back, change the color, select 2 by 2 and make them combine. Make them. You see, we have a little problem. And how we can solve this problem? I told you, for creating these shapes, this shape we have here, there are not the shapes you see. There are these shapes that we make the shape a little here in shape option, a little softer. These are these shapes, but it's not important. We use this shape that we created and then just you need to copy and paste the video in the back and your shape has been created. And you just needed to copy your text and paste them. This is how you create this transition, but we have some bugs that we need to fix them. How we can fix them? We need to create this shape. Let's go and see if we can create that shape. We make lots of mistakes. Let's go and see. For example, this has a soft edge. Let's make it lower. Make the soft edge lower to something like this. Then space them from each other a little. It's too much. A little. Okay, it's good. It too. Now select all and make them. You see the problem has been solved. The problem we have up to now is what? It's because of that these shapes, when we use union on them, let me create a slide to tell you the problem, because I want you to learn about the problem. The problem is that when we are using this shape, let's say we have one here and we have another one here, and we make it yellow. When we are going to use soft edges, the shape is going to reduce, but the size of shape, that the space that it contains, is not going to reduce. Here is just the shape. I guess you understand, but you have any question, you can ask in the comments and I will answer. And please like and subscribe if you like my video. Don't forget to see my another video. Until